Clinton. I always start off with Charles Clinton. It's Dr. Clinton from the Heart of Medicine. Whatever. Okay, welcome. It is October 11th, 2025. And we're gonna do an unboxing video which is very close to heart. And this might be one of the most special unboxing videos I might make. And I don't even make unboxing videos, so that might tell you something. That's probably important, right? So this thing here, this is the box that we're gonna unbox, which I already unboxed, but I'll just show you the result of the unboxing. Okay, so right to the action. A couple of disclaimers. Number one, I am a cardiology fellow, right now completing fellowship in Miami, Florida. I already have a cardiology training from Costa Rica. Then I did internal medicine in Savannah, Georgia. And I was able to put my hands on handheld devices over there to do POCUS, point of care ultrasound. And that's why the unboxing today is about the Vscan Air. I used the Vscan Air in Savannah, Georgia for many months. I was able to use my programs, internal medicine programs, probe, sign it out and have it a whole lot of months on end until someone called me and was like, hey Charles, someone else needs the probe. I would turn it back and then bring it back. I did a total of about 280 something scans just with the Vscan. And this is on top of the prior experience I already had with cart-based ultrasound and a couple more POCUS devices. So with all that, I decided I'm gonna buy this device because I just want to have it with me. I'm now a cardiology fellow. Of course, the cart-based echocardiogram will give you most of the answers. It will give you more answers than a POCUS device, but you're not taking into account ease of use, portability, right? Those are very important things. Sometimes you might want to see the heart, right? You want to see something special in the heart, and you can't even do it because going to get the cart-based ultrasound will take you 5 to 10 minutes that you just don't have. If you have it in your pocket, it's a different story. So that's the main reason. And let's see what's in the box. So inside, so no one's paying me for this. This is my own money going into this, and I'm not filthy rich. I'm on fellow/resident pay, so it's tough. And I chose one of the best options, which is General Electric's option, which is the 24-month 0% financing option, which is great. You have to pay X amount of money per month. It's gonna be approximately $200 monthly. It's gonna equate to about 20 bucks per day. If you are actually using it, it's gonna be an investment towards your future because, yeah, you have to think about if you want to stay behind the learning curve or you want to go with the technology exponential growth. So I chose investing into staying with cutting edge technology, which is basically the present and future. And this will help me and my patients in the future. So that being said, let's see what else we have. So inside this box, or above this box was a bigger one. Then came this box right here. Then came a nice bubble wrap right here that you can play with after you're done. Then comes this other box right here, which is the Vscan box basically there. And inside that box comes a couple of things. So one is the paperwork. Of course, these cutting edge technology will need some paperwork and some information, which you can review on your own time. This just tells you what to do with the different lighting patterns of the probe. It's just showing you that right there, okay? This other one is a little bit of technical information, and this other one is a little bit of ultrasound safety information. And other than that, we have the actual casing and the hardware things that we are interested in. So of course you need the charging pad. It's just this charger surface, which you can use any Mostly all charger pads, but of course this one is the one made specifically for the device. And you just have the connection right over here, right? Okay, and you get this other case, which is the protective case for the device. It's pretty easy to open, and here you have the device. Okay, you can have this is the Vscan Air SL, and I prefer this one over CL because SL gives you this smaller footprint specifically for scanning the heart and places that you have to go in between the ribs, right? So that's going to be mainly the chest organs, mainly the heart for my case, but I don't only want this for the heart. You can also have a linear phase here for vascular access, for the lungs, for high frequency things, superficial things that you need a lot of resolution, etc. So here it is, and you just put it in. It closes pretty nice, neatly. And that's basically all that is in the box. The next video will be on how to pair your device with your smartphone, tablet, etc., or how to set it up. If you have any questions, let me know. And I think that was the main point for this video. See you in the next one. Peace.